If you're seeing the Epic Games checkout failed error, or you keep getting stuck in a checkout loop while trying to buy in-game content, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it quickly and safely. This usually happens when the Epic Games launcher needs a fresh patch update, or when a corrupted webcache is blocking the store from loading properly. So follow along step by step, and by the end, you should be able to get back to checkout without the error. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games launcher and make sure it is maximized on your screen so you can see all the options clearly. In the top right corner, click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're in Settings, look carefully for a blue Restart and Update button. If you see that button, click it right away. This forces the launcher to apply the newest store layout file patch, and in many cases, that alone is enough to fix the checkout failed issue. If you do not see the Restart and Update button, don't worry. The next step is to fully close the launcher and reopen it with administrative privileges. To do that, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Then go to the System tray in the bottom right corner of your screen, right-click the Epic Games icon, and choose Exit. This is important because the launcher needs to be fully shut down, not just minimized. Next, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type %local app data %, then press OK. This will take you to your local app data folder. Inside that folder, find and open the Epic Games Launcher folder. Then open the Saved folder. Once you're inside Saved, look for a folder named Webcache. Right-click it and delete it. If you see any other Webcache folders, such as Webcache_4147 or similar variations, delete those too. These cached files can become corrupted and cause checkout errors, so clearing them helps the launcher rebuild fresh data the next time it starts. After deleting the cache folders, restart your computer. A full restart helps make sure the launcher starts cleanly and that any locked files are fully released. Once your PC boots back up, right-click your Epic Games Launcher desktop shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Then try the checkout again. In many cases, this combination of updating the launcher, clearing the web cache, and running the app as administrator resolves the Epic Games checkout failed error completely. If it still doesn't work, go back and make sure the launcher was fully exited before deleting the cache, and double-check that you clicked Restart and Update if that option was available. Small details like that can make a big difference. Also, if your antivirus or firewall is interfering with the launcher, temporarily allowing Epic Games through your security software can sometimes help as well. And that's it. You've now gone through the main fixes for the Epic Games checkout failed error, including forcing the launcher update, clearing the web cache, and restarting the system for a fresh launch. If this video solved the problem for you, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more easy tech and gaming troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.